Hi guys, it's late afternoon on a Friday, 27th of August. Again, these are some views I've got and how I'm trading. This is not financial or trading advice at all. All right, guys, please let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. At the moment, this is daily chart, and my view still has not changed. I'm still looking for this drop. Now, I'm going to give you two scenarios: bearish and bullish. Okay. Now, for the bulls to get back in, it has to do a retracement and then go, all right, and then it has to go hard. Because this could be, if I ignore everything beforehand and I ignore this consolidation and I count this as a very strange wave one, we still would need a retrace, let's say 50 or 61%, before we can actually go for wave three, which will be a massive, very strong impulsive wave. You'll know when you see it. So that is your scenario. You have to look for that. Would I be buying at the highs right now? No, I think it's just crazy. Obviously, this is crypto, it's not forex, so this he can just shoot up and do whatever he wants to do. But from analysis in the past and technical trading, you know that once you read a high like this is not a place for you to stop buying again. This is just FOMO. The guys thinking they want to, lose out and they start buying at the top. Um, all I know is the big boys, they got lots of money and they're waiting to get this thing at a bargain. So this thing, they'll dump this thing so hard on you. A lot of people will get liquidated and whatever, and then they'll all buy it at the low price and go for it. Okay. That's just the way it works, unfortunately. But yeah, that's my view. Let me just show you the 4 hour. Let me see more detail. But anyway, before I go 4 hour, so I got that one, and I've got my bearish count, which if this plays up nicely now, there should be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finish our A, B, C down to, let's say, call it 20,000. And from there will be a massive bull run starting there. That'll be bargain prices. I mean, I would love to see 25, 20, whatever, then reload. At the moment, I'm all cash. I am out of any cryptos. I'm just got XRP from a long time ago. All right, so that's it. Let's go to 4 hours and have a closer look. Okay, so it's gone all the way up. So I'm gonna just give you that bullish scenario again. So this could be the start of the A wave, and then we should have a B wave correction, and then we should have another 5C, and that will give you your entry points around about 37, 40,000. So anything under 40,000 in this area, you should have to look at price action. What are the candles doing? Are they giving you pin bars and reversing? All right, so that is your buying opportunity right there. If you want to buy up here, I really don't see how. I can't convince myself to do that. I'm sorry. For my bearish scenario, I'm looking at this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to this box here, where everyone's going to think it's going to bounce, and it will, but it's going to be in 3 waves. If that is the case, then we'll have another serious new low coming in. All right. If this bounce becomes 5 waves up, then it's confirmation of a bullish reversal right there. All right. If I go to the 1 hour, now I've got this plan in play. Okay, this thing is shooting up as last hour, so hopefully I can make this video, get it done before I start shorting. All right, so we've got the first 5 waves down, indicating the reversal, which is wave 1, finish wave 2, and now we're doing another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will be your big wave 3, and then 4, and then 5. Okay, so that's how I see it at the moment. So at the 618 retracement area, this is where I want to see what it's going to do. I've been waiting for this all day to work its way up to this area, and this is where I want to short the market. Now, don't get wrecked. I don't tell anyone to short cryptos because it is a very bad idea. But if you are a trader, you know what you're doing, great. Just be aware. I've got this line here at wave 2. If this thing breaks, it doesn't stop here, and it just keeps going through that, then that's invalidated. That means it is actually turning up. Okay, so as long as we stay below this level, which is, what is that level? 49 some change. Okay, 49,000 some change. If we are 49,400, if we stay below that, I am still bearish. If we break through this, then my count is wrong and we're going into the bullish view. But yeah, I think from probability, I'll put my money on it going to the downside. That's just the way I see it at the moment. Those who are long-term holders, by all means, hold on. We will get to 100 next year. But for now, let's just see how this plays out. If it plays out all the way to the downside or just to the 37.40 level. Okay. Let's go back to 1 hour again. If I see it breaking this low at 46 some change, then I am more convinced that it's going down. So I've got dotted lines there and dotted lines there. So basically, we need to watch these two levels. If we can turn around there, great. If I know what if I see what I want, I will get in. This will be confirmation of it going down again. If it can break this channel here, and normally a wave 3 breaks out of a channel because it's so impulsive, that would be a very, very strong indication of the down trend or the down move happening. All right, so a little bit of advice here for non-technical people. Draw a channel like that over there and mirror it over here, so exactly the same. If we do break that, then we're going to have a quite impulsive move down, then a move back to 4, and then another further down for number 5. If you're super keen to buy this market, rather wait for this to happen and then do that, and then you can put your money on that. Okay, that is a possibility. So look at probabilities, guys. Above that, we're going up. Below this, we're going down. It's as simple as that. So be careful. If you like what you see, please like and share. Please click the like button. It motivates me to actually make the videos. Cheers and enjoy your weekend. Bitcoin Cash actually made a very nice pattern, perfect for 1, 2, 3 ABC, and there's my box where I said, or I thought to myself, this is where it needs to react. Looks like it is reacting something in now, so this could be a different situation. If we do break out of a channel down, then it's going to be the same as Bitcoin. I want to see new lows. Doji is doing quite well. Okay, Doji, we are out of this channel, went high too quick, and now we're working it back in the ABC pattern. Now, if I remember, I have, yes, I do. I've got ABC structure working out here. If it breaks lower, then I've got my number 1 and 2 scenario over here. So that means we're looking at this possible count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish our last waves. So anything below, what's it, 16 cents. So between 15 and 10 cents. That is an amazing buy. That is still the same view I had quite a while back. What's my days? If I look at my daily, yeah, remember this count. I was waiting for it to hit this box at the bottom for the buy opportunity, and this thing just went up and up, unfortunately. So now, again, same as the others, if this was the end of correction, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is wave 1, we're still going to have a pull back to wave 2 before I can go. Ideally, I would like to see 5 down to finish off this new lows under 16 cents. And anything there would be an amazing buy on Doji. SHIB is still short. XRP is okay. Ripple's doing exactly the same thing. A, B, C working out. It's been following my little wave pattern very nicely this last few days. Also have the same situation where if it does turn bearish, then we've got a 5 waves countdown to there, which is definitely a massive buy zone. Anything under 50 cents is just crazy bargain. So nice buy. But be aware, this thing can stop right here in what's this area? We're looking at 95 cents roughly. 95 cents, 90 cents. So literally anything, if it hits $1 and just below, this is a very good opportunity for this thing to rocket up here, because it will be a nice 1, 2, 3 wave ABC structure, and it is nice and overlapping, so it is a very beautiful correction. But if it breaks right through this, then a different story. So you have to watch this level at 90, 95 cents. If we can hold above, let's say 90 cents, there we go, 90 cents. If it can stay above 90 cents, then yeah, this is a nice one to get into as well as a buy. This is one, depending on as core case is going, but I would like to add some more XRP at some stage. Litecoin broke the channel, Ethereum broke the channel and retraced to it. Made a new high and is doing little 5 waves down, pulling it back now, and then it could go down some more as well. But to be honest, I'm mainly looking at Bitcoin to see where it's going, and I just think everything else will follow that anyway. So there we go. That is a massive candle coming up now. So let's see how this candle plays out in the next few hours. See if I get more shorting opportunity. It's in the box now. Yeah, it's in the box now. I would like to get it to 48,000. Is it already 40,000? So what's this? 48,200, 48,180. Okay, so this is coming up strong. Let's see how it ends. And good luck, guys.